Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Frida baby humidifier. This is actually 3-in-1, so humidifier plus you can use it for diffusing for the essential oils for your baby, and also like a beautiful cute dim light during the nighttime. And actually I would say this is not just something like for a baby. I would use it for like any room. So guys, let me show you how you operate it. This comes with like a electric charger, so let me plug it in. So this is not battery operated, and this thing goes right here. So if you flip it, there is this thing, so it goes here, so right, and so we're gonna keep this thing on one side. And guys, then if you flip it, you can see this thing, so this comes off. I'm gonna take it off, so I'm gonna fill up water here.
So guys, overall a really easy to use gadget, lightweight. You can just put it anywhere in the house. If you still don't understand the usage, it also comes with the user manual.
Switch it on and select the moisture level, and you're all set.
Also guys, if you tap on the 9 bulb, see, you can change the dim light, the colorful cute light for your babies. Really easy to maintain. You need to clean it just once in a week, which is not at all bad. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another video. Bye-bye.